Good morning, classmates and teacher. We are going to explain some useful language and transitional phrase. As we listening some presentation before, our classmates talk about the questions that we know to answer in the speaking session. Those expression and language is very important to know before to take this exam. For example, in some question that Paul explained that we need to answer the reason or give more examples of give other details. For example, to give reason, you must use these expressions to improve your speaking part. For example, the reason that plus subject plus verb, that is because or first of all or for one thing. If you use those expressions, you improve your level of fluency. For example, the reason the kitchen is my favorite room is that it is. Another example, I hate dusting furniture, that is because it's boring. You give reason that in order to sustain your ideas. Another, my favorite food is sushi. First of all, for one thing, it is healthy. Okay. Then another important useful language is to add more points. In this part, you can use those expressions. Another reason, example, another plus or in addition, and another subject, mode auxiliary, verb to be, also plus verb. For example, if you are answering the question, you can say, another example of when speaking Spanish was useful was, you explain or give more points about you sustain your ideas. Another, my uncle encouraged me to study, plus he read to me a lot. And finally, you can also ask questions more easily. They'll also have more. Okay? And the last one, to give examples. We can use those transition phrases to use in your speaking part. For example, or for instance, in order to give more examples. And the other noun or noun phrase, like or such as or plus noun. Another, like, is an informal way or what it means is. For example, we saw a lot of beautiful places. For example, we visited baños or something like that. Another, there are a lot of sports I enjoy playing, like, or in order to say such as soccer, tennis, or volleyball. And the last one, he was consist, like he made everyone obey the same rules. In order to like, we can use what I mean is he made everyone obey the same rules. Okay? And if you find or if you research on the internet, you can find other useful expressions or transition words and phrases in order to increment or improve your level of fluency in order when you are answering those kind of questions. Learn or practice this transition phrase and useful language is very important to practice the weeks before in order to take this test.